Greetings, creative minds, digital artists, and fellow innovators. Ever found yourself deep in the scroll through social media, pausing on an animated video that just pops? You think, I'd love to make something like that, but then you remember, you're not exactly a wizard with animation software or high-tech tools. Well, what if I told you that you don't need to be? Today, I'm here to take you on a little adventure, showing you how to turn any plain video into something eye-catching and animated, and guess what? It's easier than you think. Before we start, I'd really appreciate it if you could show your support by liking and subscribing to this channel. Your encouragement means the world to me and helps me keep sharing these valuable insights with you. Now, let's dive into the world of AI video creation, hand in hand with AI. Get ready to be amazed. Lensgo AI, a tool that not only transforms your videos but also gives you the freedom to experiment with different styles daily. Let's navigate to the Lensgo AI website and sign up. Every user gets daily credits, so you can play around with various styles without worry. Look for the option to animate videos and click on Upload. Select the video file you wish to transform and upload it. Here's where Lensgo AI stands out. You'll provide a brief description or prompt of what you envision for your video. This helps the tool understand the direction of the transformation. After you've set your preferences and hit the Start button, Lensgo AI begins its work. This process is fascinating, as you'll see your ordinary video turn into something extraordinary, aligning with the vision you described. And there you have it, folks. This incredible tool that can take your videos from simple to simply amazing. I've walked you through each step, from signing up to witnessing the transformation of your videos. It's your turn now. Dive in, experiment, and see how you can turn your videos into animated wonders that capture the imagination. I hope this detailed, step-by-step guide helps demystify the process and encourages you to experiment with transforming your videos into animated masterpieces. Thanks for joining me on this creative adventure. I can't wait to see what incredible creations you come up with. Until next time, keep exploring, keep creating, and let your imagination run wild.